Mabuhay, I'm Lolita. Today, I will share a real German recipe. We will learn how to make sauerkraut. Sauerkraut is a pickled or fermented cabbage. This recipe only needs 2 ingredients. All you need is cabbage and salt. Today, I will use 2 cabbages and 2 tablespoons sea salt. You will need 2 mason jars or 2 tight sealing glass jars. The first step is to cut the cabbage. Cut it in half and then quarter it. Then remove the core. Believe it or not, these 2 cabbages will fit into 2 jars. Next, I will slice the cabbage and slice into 1 centimeter pieces. This is a lot of cabbage. Sauerkraut is great with sausages and hot dogs, and especially for German dishes like roasted pork hock. In Germany, the famous dish is called Schweinshaxe. We will do that dish in the future. Next, we will layer the cabbage into the mixing bowl. Here's the first layer. After each layer, we will sprinkle some salt. I will add a second layer. Next, I will massage the cabbage together with salt by hand. Keep on massaging until the liquid comes out. I have massaged the cabbage for 5 minutes. Let it sit for 20 minutes. And then we'll massage it again. I have massaged it for 5 more minutes. And you can see the liquid. Now we're putting the cabbage into a jar. The liquid goes into the jar as well. You want to compress the cabbage as much as you can. You can see the juice in the jar. Compress enough so that the water is above the cabbage. Yep. Once you finish compressing, the jar should be 3/4 full. Don't overfill it. The prep work is finished. Next, we'll let nature do its work. We will seal the jars and store it in a cool, dark place. It should be ready in 2 weeks' time. If you would like to have more sour taste, store it for 3 weeks or longer. It can be kept in a cool, dark place for 3 months. After that, you can put it in the fridge and keep for even longer time. Here's the jar I made a few months ago, which has been in the refrigerator. Let's have a taste. It's salty and a little bit sour. To cook sauerkraut, all you need to do is to rinse it and boil for 2 minutes. We'll see these 2 jars in a few weeks. I hope you like this recipe. Thanks for joining.